So in this video we would be discussing about the Suvat equations. So Suvat equations are very important for kinematics part. So the first Suvat equation is V equals to U plus AT. Second Suvat equation is S equals to UT plus half AT square. And third one is V square equals to U square plus 2AS. So these equations are also given in your data booklet, so you can use them. One formula is also very important here, like the average speed or the velocity average, that is the initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. So keep in mind this formula, and one formula was here that is also very important, that is the distance in the nth second, like how much like the body is traveling for fifth second is okay. After that, the question asks how much travel in the fifth second, not up to fifth, not the whole, only for fifth to sixth. So this distance, that is S. So S nth is equals to U plus A by 2 2n minus 1. So these are the formulas that will be used in this topic. So now we would be moving towards the graphs. For the graphs, we would be going very basic. First graph would be like the ST graph. When the ST graph is parallel to time. What it means, like if the displacement is not getting increased, it means that the vehicle is not moving, the object is not moving. So if the object is not moving, what will be the velocity? So the velocity will be this, 0. Because if there would be velocity, the object will move, but the object is not moving. So if the velocity is 0, what will be the acceleration? AT graph. So AT graph will again add the 0. So for ST graph, when ST graph is parallel to t, velocity and acceleration will be 0. So the next graph is when it will have a straight line. So ST graph is a straight line graph, and now we would be making VT graph and AT graph. So when it is moving with a constant value of slope, so like this is the slope. So when the theta is same, when the slope is same, it means the velocity is constant. So velocity is constant means velocity is parallel to the x-axis, that is the t. So when velocity is same, like the vehicle is moving with 50 meters per second and still moving with 50 meters per second, the acceleration is 0. There is no acceleration. So you can write no acceleration. Here you can say the velocity is constant and it is increasing. Okay, then the third one, like if there is a non-uniform motion like this, it means now if we will have this tangent to here, like one tangent at here and other tangent at here. So now the theta, now this theta 1 and theta 2. So theta 1 become more and theta 2 is greater than theta 2. So it means the slope is increasing. So if the slope is increasing, so the VT graph will be like this. So if now the slope is increasing, the slope of VT graph, this is theta and this is theta, this is same. So the acceleration will be same. Okay, hope you got all the graphs here. So now we will see that what will be happening to the area under the curve. So now see, if you will have the area under the curve for VT, So V means meter per second and time means second. So second and second will cut down. So we were left with meter. It means the area under the curve of area under the curve for Vt will give you displacement. And for AT, what it will give you? For AT, that is meter per second square into second, it will give you velocity. So area under the curve for AT is giving you velocity, whereas area under the curve for VT is giving you displacement. And for the slope, we know that slope for this will give you velocity, and here the slope is giving you acceleration. So this is everything all about the graphs. In the next video, we would be starting with the projectile, and hope so that we would be completing the projectile in that video. Thank you for being here. If you still have some doubts, just put it into the comment section.